Does shopping for a mortgage make you worry? What if you make the wrong decision and you end up paying too much? Is it possible to shop too much? And where do you even start? If any of these questions sound like something in your mind, you are in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to break down 6 simple steps to help you find the best rate, a reputable broker, and hopefully alleviate some of your concerns. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, I'm Lynea Carver with eXp Realty here in Bonnie Lake, Washington, and welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about all things living in and around Bonnie Lake, Washington. If at any point in this video you have questions about this topic or the real estate market in general, feel free to drop them in the comments and I will get back to you, or maybe make a video just for you. Let's get into it. Step number 1. Don't make the mistake of thinking a pre-approval and a pre-qualification are the same thing, because they are not. I covered this in more detail in my previous video, 10 steps to buying a home. The main difference is that a pre-approval is much more in-depth than a simple pre-qualification and will require a thorough review of income and asset documentation along with a credit check. Step number 2, consider the total cost needed out of pocket, including your down payment, closing costs, and any additional fees. What fits in your budget? Step number 3, think long-term. Don't think short-term. Historically, real estate is a long game. Unfortunately, over the last few years, many people have been given the false idea that real estate is a short-term investment that can be sold for double the ROI in a period of 5 years or less. But that is not the way it traditionally works. Yes, over time, your investment will likely improve, so really consider how long do you plan to live in this home. Knowing this will come in handy when working with your lender to determine which loan program best suits your needs and what you're comfortable paying out of pocket. Hey, before I forget, leave a comment below if you want me to connect you with one of my trusted mortgage advisors here in Washington State. Also, be sure to subscribe for more Bonnie Lake real estate content. Step number 4, understand your mortgage payment. A payment is made up of 4 parts and sometimes 6. Principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, something I like to call a pity payment. In the case that you are putting down less than 20% and you are not using a VA loan, it becomes a pity me payment, which includes principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and mortgage insurance. Your lender will give you the most accurate payment. But there are also online mortgage calculators like the one at East Pierce Homes. But there are also online calculators like the one on my website that can give you an estimated idea of total monthly cost. So keep in mind, the online calculators are not nearly as accurate as what a lender can give you, because a payment takes into account your credit history, your loan to value, your debt to income, and so much more. Step number 5, understand the process, communication, and clarity. The process of buying a home is complex and it should not be taken lightly. So I would make sure to ask your lender a bunch of questions about where they source their money, do they have in-house underwriting, how long does the process take, what should you expect from them in regards to communication, and so much more. Anything you want to know, ask. Step number 6, work with a mortgage specialist, not simply a bank employee. The choice of walking into your local bank or credit union to apply for a home loan, or doing your homework and interviewing a few different lenders is important. Here are a few points to note. Both bankers and brokers can offer loans. Bankers work for one lending institution and have that single source of money, and they are limited in their programs and rates. Brokers act as agents working with multiple lenders. Since they have multiple sources of money, they can offer a wider variety of loan programs, which can be really valuable and time savings, because you don't have to do the shopping around. They will actually do it for you. Your realtor and your loan originator should act as a team. So always ask your realtor for referrals to preferred lenders. I personally vet all the lenders I work with to ensure that their service and communication is up to par with the expectation that I give to my clients. I hope you all got some value from this video. If you did, make sure to check out some of my other videos on YouTube listed below in the description. On my YouTube channel, you will find both buying and selling advice, as well as many resources to help you through your journey. If you are considering buying or selling a home in East Pierce County, I'm your gal. Feel free to give me a call or a text and I would be happy to help. I'm Lynea Carver with eXp Realty, making dreams come true, one home at a time.